4.5 billion years ago, main asteroid belt, the ground planets were formed relatively rapidly with small rocky and metal components, called planet-like objects, about 4.5 billion years ago. These organs were slowly made of hot interior of the Sun and rotation of the Sun. The growing planet cleansed its orbit and the planet-like objects near it. Finally, when more new organs were over, these conditions set a limit for the development of these rocky worlds. Beyond the orbit of Mars, however, the process of accumulation of planets and the collapse of the planets was constantly prevented and disrupted by the powerful Jupiter. The effect of Jupiter made the collision between the planet-like objects more violent, which led to the soft and light collision, which helped them to connect and grow with each other. In addition, numerous planets passing through Jupiter were bounced out of the Mars-Mosseri area. Thus, instead of a large planet between Mars and Jupiter, we have a spreading sheet or strip of small rocky and metal honey, the main Shahabi strip. Astronomers estimate that the main honey-bound strip may contain more than 1 million miles, about 1 kilometer. So far, more than 5 million of these orbits, locations, and general features have been known, including the largest two ingredients, Sirius and Vesta. Both, as well as Shahabi Plus and Juno, consist of more than half of the total weight of the entire major Shahabi strip. Shahabas are not merely scattered with disorder. Jupiter's gravity has created several gaps in the major Shahabi strip. In addition, some groups travel in the form of families of the Shahabas that represent the remains of the majority at some point and slowly dispersed. Jupiter's Trojan Shahabis are two large groups of small organs who are trapped in particular orbits where the gravity of Jupiter and the gravity of the Sun balance each other. Due to the collision, small pieces of the inner part of the broken honey are constantly falling to the ground. We call them the stone of Shahab-Saqib, and their age and structure provides very detailed information about the formation, evolution, and time of our solar system. On August 14, 2006, a computer-developed internal solar system, which extends to Jupiter's orbit, outer blue circle, is in the middle. The main Shahabi strip has been shown in white color. Orange points show the Halda Shahabi family, while the green points of the Jupiter Trojan Shahabi. The natural virtue of the asteroid belt and the power of Almighty Allah can be briefly described. The rocky strip between the Sun and the planets is a systematic series of rocky ingredients, which is circulating between Mars and Jupiter. It is a great manifestation of Allah's power, which explains how Allah created the universe with a special discipline and balance. If these Shahabi organs collide with the ground uncontrollable, then the destruction can spread, but Allah kept them in a particular orbit so that the land could be protected. All of this is proof of His wisdom, mercy, and unique power. Surah Yasin, verse 40, and everyone is floating in their own orbit. This verse also shows the discipline that Allah has established in the universe. The Shahabi belt, which is located in space between Mars and Jupiter, consists of millions of rocky ingredients. These organs are of different sizes, some like small particles and some like big mountains. His orbit is organized in orbit is proof that the universe is not by any chance, but is the result of the plan and control of a great creator. If these martyrs come to the earth random, then the system of life can be ruined, but Allah has kept them in a special order, so that the earth and its life are preserved. This is proof of Allah's mercy, knowledge, and power. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, like it and get a share with friends. Support us by press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.